Good morning, everybody. We are here. Hopefully you're doing better than the market is today because the market is down. We got Frank in the chat first, as always. Man, what's going on, Frank? Nick F, how you doing? Crypto Rocketeer. Oh, man, it's a bad market. I'm telling you. AMC is down this morning. Netflix is the story of the day, though. We're going to be talking about Netflix today. Bugnacious, Cassie, John J. Alvarez, Crazy Kitty, what's going on? Paul, Frank, Pika, Power, William, Cassie, Frank, MetaPockets, and Pika. Once again, let's go over here to the market and see what we've got going on. We've got AMC down 4.76% today, sitting at $17.80. Shiba Inu coin, top right, sitting at $24.92. Trying to retake that 2,500 point per coin level. GameStop down 2.5%, sitting at $148.50. Netflix, $220. Netflix getting blasted today, down 36.5%. Going to be testing the intraday lows once more. Was down here at $212.51 earlier this morning. Tried to bounce back a little bit. Currently sitting at around $220 per share. Severe losses in Netflix today. The puts are absolutely printing. Guys, I saw a put, I believe it was at $205 maybe. It was up like 20,000%. The average puts are up somewhere between 3,000 and 6,000% today. Ridiculous gains in Netflix. We got Prog sitting down 2%. Farmy sitting down 2%. Ethereum, Shiba, Bitcoin all down 1 to 2%. Sundial down 4.5%. Sundial on 420. Come on, what are you doing? Down today? You're supposed to be up. Mullen Auto down another 8% today, sitting at $154. CEI bought break even, 99 cents per share. The SPY surprisingly is up today, 0.16% higher. BBIG down 7%, $2.46. Highcroft Mining down 7%. At $1.65, and we've got Netflix on the chart down here at $220 per share. We're going to be bouncing back and forth. See if we can get any green action in here. We'll leave that down in the bottom left. We'll watch Netflix and see what it's doing down here right now. Really just extending those losses off of yesterday's earnings report. Cassie, I love it. What did Cassie say? Cassie, everybody rock your body, Backstreet's back. All right, yes, Cassie, Backstreet Boys. We all love Backstreet Boys. Not sure that thing didn't eat shit, bro. Nick F, I'm positive that thing didn't eat shit, bro. Nick, I gotta send you the picture of the one. Dad was over here last week. You gotta see this snake that I grabbed last week, dude. He was big. He still wouldn't have been able to eat shit, bro. This one, there's no way. There's no way this one could even eat the mouse, man. This one would probably eat like crickets or something. This one's kind of small. The best I would give this one is crickets, or maybe like a baby animal of some sort. But this one couldn't even eat a mouse. This one's head's like this big, dude. He's got a tiny little head. Outdoor Smile, thank you for the super chat. I'm all chiefed up, not responsible for my actions. Nobody's responsible for their actions, Outdoor Smile. Everybody's irresponsible. No, don't be irresponsible. Don't be responsible for your actions if your actions are going to cause something in bad. Don't do that. Dad screamed like a little girl. No, but he would not touch it. He would not touch it, but he did not scream like a little girl, but he certainly wouldn't touch it. I was really hoping that he would touch it, but Dad's actually afraid to feed Chipro, so I don't know what's going on with that dude right there, man. He's got to get his game together with feeding these animals over here. I like NKOTB. Is that a song or is that a ticker now? Snow again. Nope. Frank, no more snow, man. 44 degrees and sunny out right now. It's going to get in the 50s today and then 80s this weekend, my friend. Yes, I'm going to be sitting outside soaking up the sun this weekend, as I hope you all do. Baby rabbits, oh no, you take care. I will, Nick F. I will. That's why this dude is going down to the lake, man. And then I hope I can get the big one. I want to get the big one and take him down there too. I don't mind if they're in the yard, but these dudes, they get a little too close to the house for my comfort, man. I don't like them when they're right up next to the house like that. So this guy, gotta go. Made $125 on CRXT. You're welcome. Vengeance, making that money. What is CRXT? I don't even know if I know what CRXT is. CRXT. Oh, gotcha. This bad boy's rolling today. Yes. Yeah, I saw this guy this morning. This bad boy is rolling. Did you get in today and just make a quick 125? Vengeance. If you did, very cool, man. If you, God, if you owned this stock anytime in the last month, you are killing it today. So hopefully, if anybody in there, I mean, if you owned it months ago, you're potentially breaking even again. But they're absolutely rolling today, up 145%. I would love if AMC or Farmy or Shiba or one of the stocks that we talk about on a regular prog even rolled 150% in a day. That would be amazing. But it's CRXT. I do not own any CRXT, but I did see this bad boy rolling today. AMC trying to bounce back, sitting at 1783. Shiba Inu coin down 2.02%. GameStop 148, and Netflix continuing to get blasted. Do I have my line on here for Netflix? Did we leave that? No, we took that one down. We got to move to we broke through that one. We got to come down here to this level that I said that it's possible it touches if it breaks through down this gap right here. So we are at this gap actually right now. That is insane that we already went down below this gap here. No, man. Next major level, man. I'm talking $200 a share. I'm talking $200 to $190 a share on Netflix. We're going to watch that bad boy play out because I think it's a definite possibility that we see further declines in Netflix today. And this $200 a share level does not seem inappropriate. So we're going to watch that. Anybody buy besides... Oh, okay. I did not watch The Masked Investor this morning. Does anybody know what he did with his puts? Somebody was in here yesterday saying that The Masked Investor bought puts on Netflix yesterday. Dude's got to be killing it today. Does anybody know if he took his profit? Yes, in 20 minutes, bought at 239. Oh, well. Vengeance. Very nice, man. Very nice. You know, you killed that trade, dude. You jumping in on a risky trade like that, making $125, perfect. There's my rabbits. Oh, I like rabbits, dude. I do. Who let the dogs out? Who? I let the dogs out. A squirrel was chasing a baby rabbit around the yard this morning. Cassie, what was a squirrel? There was actually a squirrel that ran by the back patio, just walked by the back patio door. He was big, man. He was big. Wasky little rabbits. Oh, yes. My ape coin is up. Pika Power. Ape coin up today? I have not looked at ape coin at all today. ApeCoin is killing it today. ApeCoin back up to 16, touched $17.29 a coin. Very nice, Pika. Hopefully you got some sick gains in ApeCoin. Pika, you plan on holding or you plan on taking some profit there? What's the deal? What's the deal with ApeCoin? Is this a long-term hold for everybody or are we trading ApeCoin? I do not own any ApeCoin, just trying to get a consensus on it. Everybody, really quick, drive AMC to $18 so I can catch some easy profit on my May 6th calls. Frank, that would be very nice if people did that. But it is possible to see AMC roll up to $18 per share real quick. Oh no, Outdoor. Oh no. Wasky little wabbits. That were oh noing. I bought it $10 and sold it $12. Why? That's what he said. I'm up to Pika. Very nice. Man, you guys are killing it in ApeCoin. Clay, can you please cover Tesla earnings this afternoon? Maybe. Meta Pocket. I don't know if I will... What time is their earnings report? What time's their earnings report? If it's at the market close, yeah, we can at least watch it or check it out. I don't know what their earnings expectations are. Let's see if we can find their earnings expectations because I know nothing about their earnings report. Tesla earnings. Okay. Well, dude, their earnings call seems to be at 5:30 p.m. So I don't know if I'm going to be live. I'm probably not going to be live at 5:30 p.m. I'll probably end at 5 o'clock. But people are seeming to be selling off today, heading into the earnings call. It doesn't seem to be anything out of the ordinary. People do typically sell off into earnings because of the risk. And I would imagine that after following Netflix earnings report yesterday, they're going to be a little bit more conservative going into these earnings reports. But we have, let's see if we've got some expectations here. I don't see any expectations. Come on, man. Somebody give me some expectations. They're telling you to prepare for disappointment. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going to go on with Tesla's earnings. But yeah, we could check that out and see what's going on after hours. But I don't know if I will be live for their call, if their call is at 5:30. I'm holding. I bought it just to see where it goes. Peak of power. Very nice. I hope it absolutely soars for you and you make a sick amount of money. Clay made 4.6 thousand on put on Netflix today. JK Trader destroying it, man. I love it, dude. Making that type of money. You are you still in, or did you close your put out? Because I was looking at the value of the puts earlier, and I believe it was like a $205 put. That thing was up 20,300% when I looked at it. And the average puts were up somewhere between 3,000, almost 4,000, and then 6,000% per put. You guys are absolutely destroying it if you bought puts on Netflix yesterday or any time. I mean, it doesn't have to be yesterday. You could have bought them. You could have bought them prior to that, but the puts that are expiring this week were destroying it. You think the whales are taking advantage of the hype and altcoin gets and pumps and dumps until the fire burns out and moving on to the next one? Caesar, that is a definite possibility, man. You know, you might be talking about Shiba Inu coin, right? I know that Shiba Inu coin is one of the majority holds or the majority holdings of Ethereum whales. Now, they come in, and there's a lot of people that bought a ton of Shiba Inu coin. And one of the reasons that they do that is because, you know, Ethereum and Bitcoin, they still move. They're very volatile compared to, like, blue chip stocks. But compared to altcoins, they're slow moving, right? If Bitcoin's moving 5%, you might have altcoins moving 20, 30% in a single day. So knowing that these whales are going out there and buying up Shiba Inu coin and maybe some other altcoins too, it's because they want to take advantage of those exponential gains. You know, with Ethereum or with Shiba Inu coin being an Ethereum token, I guess the Ethereum whales believe in Shiba Inu coin to at least outpace gains in Ethereum. So if we've got gains in the overall market, they can make the choice to make 3, 4, 5% in Ethereum or 5, 10, 15% in Shiba Inu coin. And what I see is that they're choosing the exponential gains over more steady, stable coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin. I got in and out today. JK Trader. Dude, you didn't even have it yesterday. You were buying puts today. Oh my gosh. Dude, you know those puts had to have opened up huge. And the fact that you were playing puts today after Netflix had already opened up down like 30% at $250. Risky move, man, but you absolutely killed it. Probably getting in somewhere in this area, right in the open there, and watching it decline to about $212 and making a nice amount of money. Very nicely done, JK Trader. Very nicely done. I like it, man. When Shibarium? June will be. Soon, Shibarium, right? Soon. So that's the answer I get. That's the answer you guys get. Shibarium is soon. I wish I had a date to tell people when Shibarium was, man. I feel so cool. I haven't heard a lot about Ali token on intelligent NFT type token linked to the Noah's Ark metaverse. Michael, I have also not heard anything about ALI or Ali token, man. I don't know anything about that. I don't even know what Noah's Ark metaverse is. Is it cool? So my Ape coin to buy again on the dip. Roulette wheel. Very nice, man. Did you get it in the $17 range, in the $16 range, $15 range? What's up? Good morning, everybody. Frodo, good morning to you, man. How you doing today? Remember, what sectors of the market are getting your attention the most? Very interesting. So, Eddie, you know, I don't see... the beginning of 2021... marijuana and clean energy were two of the largest and fastest moving sectors. And that had a lot to do with the new administration coming in saying that they were going to legalize marijuana and that there was going to be this huge clean energy push. They started to fade out, and penny and meme stocks decided to take over throughout 2021. So in all honesty, these meme stocks still have a lot of my attention, simply because we talk about them every single day, right? And I do believe that like these short squeeze plays they're not dying, right? A lot of people think that the hype around them is dying, and I don't. Okay, I still do believe that the shorts are going to be covered. But as far as like sectors gaining my attention right now, I don't have any major sectors in mind. Like, travel. I still don't think that even though mask mandates on planes and things are being lifted, I still don't think we're going to be in the clear on that yet. So it's not like I'm going to see a huge rebound in travel. As far as clean energy goes, I think it's playing out a lot slower than a lot of people had anticipated, although it's still a very good sector. It's just, I don't know, man. I don't know what the major growth is going to be in throughout 2022. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the member chat. Trapper says, how long had it really been? 11 months. AMC Trapper, 11 months strong. Loving it, AMC Trapper. It must have said what? It must have told you that you were in there for 8 months, and it's actually 11 months. I don't know why YouTube is like 3 months behind or something. But AMC Trapper, thank you very much for that member chat. Outdoor Smile, thank you for the outdoor smile. Outdoor smile. Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for that super sticker, man. I don't know why you guys always got to send the weird ones, but you do. Outdoor, man, thank you very much. And look, Frank, we're driving it to $18 for you, man. AMC knocking on 18's door right here, sitting at $17.98, about to tap $18 per share. Get a little quick profit on your calls there. If that's what you wanted, take it. I love it, man. But you called for a drive to $18 per share, and we are knocking on 18's door right now. Shiba Inu coin, guys, sitting at $24.97, trying to retake 2,500 points per coin. GameStop still down 2.5% on the day. It is $148.67. Netflix, the story of the day, losing 37%. And honestly, Netflix is, I guarantee it's pulling Facebook down with it. Facebook was down like 7 or 8% when I looked at it this morning. So having a very difficult day there as well. The market is just a blood red sea right now. You've got the NASDAQ probably being pulled down greatly by the NASDAQ. By Netflix. NASDAQ sitting at 13,494, down 1%. We talked about GameStop. Prague is down 2.20%. Farmy down 2% at 1281. You've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the red. Sundial in the red, 4.69%. Should be up today on 420. Mullen Auto down 10.6%, sitting at $1.51 right now. CEI 98 cents. The SPY is barely breaking even. BBIG down 7.5%. And Highcroft Mining is down 6.32% right now. Highcroft Mining sitting at $1.63 after touching $1.56 earlier this morning. I think it was down below 10%. Very, very drastic declines today. It's another one of those beautiful red days that we have. Cassie! Thank you for the trees. Thank you for the trees. Thank you for the trees. Thank you very much, Cassie, for the super sticker. An Outdoor Smile. Thank you for the super sticker. Super sticker. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile, for the super sticker there. You guys are crazy today, man. I'm loving it. AMC Trapper says, happy 420. It's only 12:09. It's only 12:09, AMC Trapper. The date. Yeah, April 20th, guys. Happy April 20th today. I don't know what you guys are celebrating today on April 20th, but happy April 20th. First, as usual, what's up, Cladinho? What's up, everyone? Greetings from Lake Baikal, Russia. I guarantee this dude just Googles random location of the day, and then that's what he uses right there. Mr. Simon, good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. I'm wrecked and crying. Outdoor Smile, don't cry, man. Don't wreck. Don't wreck your car and cry.
It'll be okay. I promise. It'll be okay.
ATER is done for now. A shame, too, because the numbers on ATER are very appealing. Scam calls. Stop these scam calls. What are you doing? I actually did not look at ATER this morning, so I don't know what ATER is doing. Where are we at? Dude, I can never find anything on this watch list over here. Never find it. Down 12% today. ATER is getting hit pretty hard, falling back down out of that ascending channel. So very interesting to see the decline there. I would hate to see it fall back down into the $2 range. So guys, be careful if you are profitable on ATER. Don't be afraid to take some of that profit there. How in the world is Netflix on here twice? I don't want that one. This is the real Netflix. Please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. All right, so that was Netflix there. Man, we didn't take $18 for Frank. $17.99. We knocked on its door and got denied. Somebody shut the door right on us. Plan on holding Shib over the next 6 years. I hope it will reach $4. What's your takes? King Photo. I think that $4 is going to be way too hard. I think that $4 is going to be way too hard to reach. Even if we do burn a ton of coins. $4 is going to be extreme. Now, if you're talking like the penny range, I don't think the penny range is going to be hard. But a $4 price on Shiba Inu coin is going to give you like a $2 quadrillion valuation. I think you could buy everything in the entire world for $2 quadrillion. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, and I don't think we're there. You'd have to burn like 99.9% of the supply to reach a $4 valuation. Who doesn't know the significance of 4:20 a.m. or p.m., Remy? A.m. or p.m.? 4:20 is the devil's new year. We don't like the devil, man. Heck yeah, Pika Pika. Salmon is everywhere. And I don't know, Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. See, this I did not know. Frodo, how deep is it, man? How deep is it? Wouldn't it be wild if there was a lake deeper than the ocean? Now that would be wild. Bought some call options on Tesla. Wish me luck. Good luck. Meta Pockets. Buying some call options on Tesla right now. Let's see where Tesla is. Oh, where are we? Where are we? Oh, well, I mean, we're right here. We got this line right here. Buying some call options on Tesla right there. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. Sitting at support right here. So it could have been a pretty good time to buy some call options there. If it doesn't break through, you should at least get a bounce off of support. So I like it, man. We got our line right here to see if you're going to be making money following the earnings report on Tesla. And I absolutely hope that you do. Hopefully make a killing, man. AKA Mr. All Around the World. Yes, that is exactly who he is. $4. I should quit my job right now and just wait 4 years. Moto Lifer. So should everybody. Still working on 1 billion Shiba. Caesar, let's get it, man. Could you imagine went to $4 billion worth? You got 1 billion Shiba and you made $4 billion on a $20,000 investment? That'd be insane. Outdoor, he was absent, forfeiting the crown. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I feel like I made a mistake. I sold Ape at $20. I bought it at 15. Harris, how's that a mistake, dude? If you sold Ape at $20 and you bought it at 15, you just made $5 a coin, dude. It's not bad. Lake Baikal is 5,387 feet deep. Dang, that's the lake's a mile deep. That is deep, dude. Outdoor Smile must be nice to wake up and go wherever you want. It's got to be. You better buy them a year out. Eddie, the Tesla calls, is that what you're talking about? Buying Shiba in Bitcoin dips for a week isn't a real worry for me because everything with time, yes. So just sit back, relax, lose your mind and watch. Relax and lose your mind watching the price. Well, yes, it is. you could lose your mind watching the price every second of every day. That is true. But that's not going to make me it's not going to make me go like just full screen. Whoa, where's the stocks? We don't need to watch the stocks anymore. Forget about this. No, we'll still watch the stocks on here. It'll be okay. We can watch those, right? You guys aren't going to get mad if we watch the stocks. Didn't quite make it to 18. So very close, but we're still trending upward. That we are. We're hitting some higher lows throughout the afternoon. What is afternoon now, so I can say that. We're hitting higher lows throughout the morning/afternoon here, and we could be retesting that $18 per share level once more here very quickly. Hopefully you get it. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 24.80 right now, pulling back off that 2,500 point per coin level. Touched it and then said, nope, not going above 2,500 points per coin. GameStop 148.97 and Netflix sitting at $220 per share. Is anybody bold enough to buy Netflix? Let me know if you're bold enough to buy Netflix or if you've already bought it. The NASDAQ, guys, down 1.20% today. Prog down 2%. Farmy going on some red candles here. 1271. Looks like Farmy's going to try and retest another all-time low today. Great job, Farmy. Great job. Just help me lose everything that I invested in it. That'd be nice of you. Sitting at 1271 right now. Sundial down 4.5%, 53 cents per share. Mullen Auto down 11.5% at $1.50. CEI down up 1.87%. Sorry, sitting at $1 flat. SPY just below even. BBIG down 7.5%. Highcroft down 7%, and we are watching Netflix play out here down 36.67%. Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the super chat. Moto Lifer says, crown. Me want that crown. Moto Lifer wants a crown, so if anybody that gives out crowns is taking note right now, Moto Lifer, me wants a crown. Moto Lifer wants a crown. I'm throwing it out there. Moto Lifer, I got you back, man. I got you back. I don't know if it'll happen. I don't crown people, but I got you back. Teenagers ritualistically smoked marijuana every day at 4:20 p.m. after school. The ritual spread, and soon 420 became code for smoking marijuana. Eventually, 420 was converted into 420 for calendar purposes, and the day of celebration was born. Well, dude, celebration purposes sound even better because 420 happens every day. But Remy, I actually did not know that that's where 420 came from. Is that dangerous, dude? Does that mean, like, did they go home and then, like, because their parents weren't home yet, they smoked some marijuana? Or what the deal? Like, what's the deal with 420 in the afternoon? Already bought Netflix again. Meta Pockets. Very nice, man. Adding on the Netflix dip. I don't know. I'd be a little nervous to add at least until it tests this support line at 200. I think it's kind of a no man's land right now, sitting between 220 and this support at 200 here. But that's my thoughts on it, and that's just because I see that level of support sitting there on the long-term chart. Clay, aliens live inside Lake Baikal. UFOs go in Lake Baikal. Baikal? I don't know how to say it. There is an alien base in there. This I did not know, Simon. Hello, Clay. I keep 500 euro in Shiba. Is a chip for high? I think, what? Alessandro Tomasi. Gosh, I like that name. Hi, Clay. I keep 500 euros in Shiba. Is chip or high for think if working one day? Alessandro. I don't know if I understand completely the question there, but I think that you could do very well with 500 euros invested, man. Especially if Shiba Inu coin does go to, a tenth of a cent or a cent one day. SoFi loves to do all-time lows often. Cassie, it's ridiculous how the market the market's loving lows right now. The market is loving lows. So if you guys got the ability to dollar cost average or stack some cash for a potential reversal, this stock market is really loving these low prices. Crazy to see Netflix was nearly $700 a share 6 months ago. Eddie, it's insane to see it was $700 a share. And then you get Spotify sitting at like $600 when it was $1,700 a share a few months ago. In November, everything has been getting ripped hard since November. So fans, right? Garbage! Oh, man. Well, if somebody's wanting to make money in it, hopefully they get it. 420 is also Hitler's birthday. See, that I did not know. You guys know a lot about a lot. More than I know. AMC not leaving, not selling. AMC short have not yet covered. I am not going anywhere anytime soon. Aria, I am also not going anywhere, and I do agree. You know, the shorts have not covered. Wow, 420 happens for me daily too. AMC Trapper at 420. We must have the same clocks, dude. We must have the same clocks. So it happens every day for me too. 12:20 right now. So in 4 hours from now, it will be 4:20. Whoa, to this crazy coincidence. What did Frank say? I just screwed up that 420 is also... You screwed that up? 420 is police code for pot. Is it really? Clowny. Did they do that? What did Vengeance say? I missed what Vengeance said, but Moto Lifer is laughing. It's something right now, and I did not see if Vengeance said anything. Darn it! You promised me a crown, Pika Power. Oh no! Now Pika's like in debt on crowns. Frank, what's crazy coincidence? Be Vengeance forfeit the... Ooh, yes, he's forfeiting the fruit over there. 420, 1889 to 430, 1945. Dang, man. Dude died 10 days after his birthday? That's not fun. Lake by call also during the winter gets discs of ice that naturally form and rotate within a circle. Facts. Is that like those little snow donuts that people post pictures of in their front yards? The snow blows over and it makes a little wheel. You missed my super chat. Moto Lifer. I better not have missed any super chat, man. I did miss his super chat. Moto Lifer. That is my bad. Sorry about that. Moto Lifer says, Vengeance dead. Pika. Vengeance is dead. And Pika gets the kiss. Nice. I don't know if it's nice that Vengeance is dead, but Vengeance is not here. Is Vengeance here right now? I don't even know if he is. But either way, yes. Nope, Vengeance is here. Uh-oh. I feel a fight brewing. I feel a fight brewing. Watch The Odessa File, a great movie. I've never even heard of that movie. Hello, Clayton, everyone. Saif! What's going on, Saif? Hopefully you're having a good day today. I never promised a crown to anyone, but you will definitely get one. I promise. Yes. Definitely, defiantly. You will defiantly get one. Defiantly, I like that. Clay must be Team Vengeance. No. I'm Team Clay, bro, man. Come on. Ape up 18.26% today. Clowny, Ape is killing it, man. Ape is doing very well. If anybody is in ApeCoin right now, congratulations to you. You gotta be making money on ApeCoin today because it's near all-time highs. You got to be making some money on ApeCoin today. I mean, it was a little bit higher when it first debuted, and then I believe it touched the $17 line before Weeble got it listed. But I believe it touched that $17 line before. But, man, there's a very, very good chance that you are positive on your ApeCoin right now if you're still holding it. And can you imagine all of the people that did not liquidate their ApeCoin when they received it from their NFTs, from holding those NFTs, and they're sitting on $158,000 worth of ApeCoin right now for every Bored Ape Yacht Club that they own? I mean, that is just insane to think about. My goodness. Let's see. Farmy's still at 1271. Come on, Farmy, bounce. Don't do this stuff where you sell off here. You got 165,000 shares selling off, and then you got 133,000 shares selling off. We don't need none of these sell-off businesses. Give us some big green lines. If you guys did not know, Farmy, it does have I know we talk about it a lot. Hopefully this next week is like the last week for Farmy. I know I said that last week, but they had a shareholder meeting and they did not reach 1/3 of the shares outstanding and votes come in. So they're allowing it one more week, and then whatever votes come in this week at the shareholder meeting is considered a quorum, and they are voting on a reverse split. I hope they do not get it. I hope they're forced to do a buyback because the end of May is their compliance run. If they do not meet $1 by the end of May, they will most likely be delisted because they've already had an extension. So we're hoping for a good little run there in Farmy, going on a compliance run, and a potential buyback if they do not get the reverse split vote. So hopefully we can move on from that here next week. Pug backs on that. Pugnacious Big Power. I'm not anyone. I'm someone. Backs on that, Pug. Backs on that. Mama said I'm special in my own special way. Pugnacious, my mom said the exact same thing about me, dude. She said the exact... We got good moms, man. We got good moms. What happened to Mullen? Clowney, you know, I don't know if anything is necessarily happening to Mullen Auto. Mullen Auto getting hit pretty hard today, sitting at $1.50 right now. It is seemingly trying to turn around from these highs and losing once again. You know, Mullen Auto had done nothing but go down for months, hitting a November high of $15.90 and falling all the way down to 52 cents, and it seems to be turning once more. There is a little bit of support in this area right in here, but I think it may have been broken. So next major level of support is down here at about $1.40. And beyond that, guys, I mean, you might be retesting $1 on Mullen Auto. So I don't know if Mullen Auto is being extremely shorted. I don't know if Mullen Auto, what the deal is, why people are loving to sell off of Mullen right now. But it's giving back a lot of its gains. Now, hopefully, if you guys are in Mullen, it retains its, I guess, excitement factor. If people stop talking about it, it's going to be very difficult for Mullen to increase in price there. So hopefully people don't give up on Mullen Auto. I'm not in it at the moment. I probably would get back into Mullen Auto or get into Mullen Auto if it goes back down to 50, 60 cents. Stay out of the safety zone. Nobody likes the safety zone. What price did ApeCoin list at? As far as I know, okay, and this is according to CoinMarketCap, right? ApeCoin lists at around $20 per coin. From there, it fell down to maybe like $8 per coin or so, and was very volatile for the first, I guess, month of listing. And it did not spend much time at all at $20 per coin. If somebody's looked into it a little bit further than I have, maybe you could correct me on that. But I'm pretty sure that it listed at $20 per coin. Someone in the Shib Metaverse purchased lands in a swastika shape and then got blacklisted. Not sure if they got their money back or not. Look, guys, I actually read that this morning, Remy. I read that this morning. They better have got their money back for that. If they did not get their money back for that, I absolutely would expect them to sue the Metaverse team. You're going to figure out who this Metaverse team is because they are working with Playside Studios. And if Playside Studios or whoever develops the Metaverse game decides to take on the project, I would absolutely sue Playside Studios for not allowing that. I get the fact that there's hate speech and all of that stuff out there, but dude, this is the concern for a decentralized network, right? How do you have the growth breeds or the secure breeds or whatever they're calling themselves calling the shots, telling you what is and is not acceptable and saying that you can't do that? Like, it's very interesting that something decentralized is in fact centralized. And although I disagree with it, I wouldn't want anybody posting anything slanderous or offensive or anything like that. It's very interesting that a project that is controlled by essentially nobody and everybody has a very, very central being to it. That's one of the parts that I hate most about this entire ecosystem. And Outdoor Smile, man. Oh, Outdoor Smile. Dude, you scared me with that. Oh, Outdoor Smile, you scared me with that super sticker, man. Oh my gosh. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for that super sticker. That is Vengeance's favorite super sticker. Pancake Swap coming in hot. What is Pancake Swap doing today? I hope they didn't get money back. I hope they did get their money back, Supreme Plug. I absolutely hope they got their money back. That's horrible. No place for hate speech and something good like Shiba. Well, here's the deal, though. Here's the deal. Yes, I agree that people should have some sort of a respectful nature to them, right? But it's very, very difficult to put that kind of authority in something that should have no authority, right? In a decentralized world, nobody but everybody is calling the shots. And dude, with Shiba Inu coin right now, it's not decentralized, man. Shiba is, yes, but this ecosystem is 100% centralized. It is not decentralized at all. Outdoor Smile! Oh, man. Oh, man. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for another... Outdoor Smile's killing it today, man. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for that super sticker. Should I buy Cardano or a Gala Games? I got 115 bucks. Yes, Harris. I do actually like Gala and Cardano both. I don't know what Gala is trading at or Cardano. I actually haven't looked at it in a while, but I believe Gala's on Webull now. No, that's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Gala USD, 19 cents. Very interesting. Gala not doing too bad there. And ADA. Cardano is ADA. $1. Cardano's below $1. This is tough, dude. I don't know what the long-term chart of Gala looks like, but Cardano could see a decline back down to 78 cents down there, knowing that it's trying to get its way back up here. So that I don't know if now would be necessarily the best time to buy Cardano. I would watch out for that one. I'd watch out for that one if you're looking at buying Cardano right now. Yeah, because it's even below this longer term level of support back here at $1.06. So that's just me. I like both of these coins though. Gala delisted. We don't need that on here then, do we? No, we do not. Let's clean this up a little bit there. All right, good deal. All right, Netflix actually bouncing back a little bit right now, stringing some green lines together, sitting at $222. AMC 1781. Shiba Inu coin gonna retest that 2,500 point per coin level. It's at 24.98 at the moment. GameStop still down 2% of the day, sitting at 149.61. We've got Prog down 2.5%, Farmy down 2% at 12.82. Thank you for not hitting an all-time low right there. Sundial down 5%, Molinado down 10% on a nice green candle, going up 3 cents there. CEI 98.74. SPY above break even once more. BBIG down 7% on the day, and Highcroft Mining getting hit pretty hard here, sitting at $1.59. 159 cents. We'll say it that way. 159 cents. Let's see. Moto Lifer. I don't speak Spanish, man. Sorry about that. Not in the Shib Metaverse. I'm the shot caller in Shib of the Metaverse. Pugnacious. Yeah, man. Well, I mean, look, dude. You know, there technically were no rules on what you could do with your lands either. So, yeah, it better not have been some theft. What about Crow? I do like Crow, Harris. I do like Crow. I don't know if it's necessarily the time to buy Crow right now or not, but I do like all of the centralized exchange coins. Crow, Binance, even Gemini is a stable coin that pays around 8% interest. I like those because I truly believe as these centralized exchanges grow, the centralized exchange coin is going to grow along with it. And I think there's a ton of room for centralized exchange growth over time. Barely anybody is using crypto right now. It is a race between Shiba and Ape to launch the games and the metaverse. Jim from Wales. It does seem like the Ape coin is going to be having a nice battle for the metaverse with Shiba Inu coin as well. And, you know, I don't know. I honestly, I think that ApeCoin probably has some better funding than Shiba Inu coin does. So we're going to have to see what goes on with that. Check out Jasmy. Yes, I have seen Jasmy, but we have not looked at it today. Jen, do you want to look at Jasmy? Let's get started. Danelle, what is going on? Driving but listening. Danelle, glad to have you in here. And be safe out there. And yes, let's get started. Ape is up 20%. Ape is killing it today, Clowny. Ape in the $15 range. Anybody take their profit on Ape? I know we asked that a little while ago, but I know you guys only stay in here for like 5 minutes. So, anybody take their profit on ApeCoin? Anyone got spare donuts or something? I don't have any spare donuts today. No spare donuts. Las Coronas. Aguantadoras. the crown. I don't know what that is. Pika, I don't know what that is. It's impossible for Netflix to stay at their peak for this long. Everyone and their dog is creating streaming services and eating into Netflix's dominance. Also, Netflix is adding ads. Dude, is that true? Remy, is that actually true? Is Netflix really putting commercials on their crap? Dude, if I gotta watch commercials on Netflix, no. Dude, I watched Peacock. It's nonsense, man. Commercials are nonsense. You're paying for the streaming service. I'll pay for cable TV if I gotta watch commercials on Netflix. Are they really doing that? Dude, Remy's making me mad, man. Remy's making me mad with this commercial talk. I better not be putting no commercials. I'm watching Seinfeld right now on Netflix. And if I gotta watch commercials, I'm going to put on Netflix right now if they're making commercials. How about Dogelon coin exploding? YNB fight. Is Dogelon exploding right now? Or is it up like 10%? You're trying to tell me that it's exploding. It's up 34%. All right. It's not like a terrible explosion. But nonetheless, it is going up. All right. If you guys want to see Dogelon Mars out there, Dogelon is going up a little bit today. Had a nice run from down here at 0.000007, okay, all the way up to 0.00000001, and pulling back a little bit throughout the rest of the day. But it is up 36% today. Still very, very, very low compared to these recent highs that you guys saw back in October. So not exactly sure where you guys would have got in. If you got in here, you're killing it, man. You're killing it if you got in back in here. But, yeah, I do not own any Dogelon. I do not plan on getting any Dogelon, even though it's looking very good today, with a 36% increase in the value of that coin there. Now, I'm definitely Complete Dimensi and Emirado. Moto Lifer with Pika. With Pika. Not with me. Dang. I will send you the link if I find it. Remy, you're really trying to make me mad. No, he's like rubbing it in, dude. He stuck the dagger in. Now he's twisting it. This dude's like, I'll send you the link to all their commercials. No. All right, I'll accept it. Send it to your Twitter, Clay. Thank you, Remy. I appreciate that. Let's look at this commercial here. Am I logged in? I might be logged in. Mentions. Remy, dude, I'm not gonna lie. Did you send it to my Twitter? Oh, there he is. Okay, considering to put lower cost ads on the service. No, they better not do that. Guys, I don't want to see them do that, man. I would hate if Netflix put commercials on there. We get a camel in here. Yes, okay. Oh, Hump Day. Outdoor Smile saying it's Hump Day. That's gotta be what it is. Is Elon and Vitalik founders of Shiba? I would say no, YNB. I would say no. I know some people want them to be, but I would still say no. Netflix sitting at $224 right now, trying its best to bounce back. It's up about 1% from where it was earlier, so nothing huge there. Netflix still down 35% on the day, and I mean, when you put things in perspective, this is what it looks like. So still a very drastic decline for Netflix on both of their previous earnings announcements. The one they had back in January and this one for first quarter earnings here. Very drastic losses in Netflix. And you're talking erasing 4 years worth of gains in a matter of a couple months here. Netflix erased 4 years worth of solid gains. It's difficult to see any stock erase 4 years worth of gains in such a short period of time. But that's what Netflix has going on right now. Very, very difficult day for them. Okay, what do we think about Xenu? Zombie Inu Mark, I don't know anything about Zombie Inu. I do know that it has an extremely low market cap. I believe it was around $1 million market cap. So it's got a ton of potential. But anything with that low amount of holders and anything with that low of a market cap may not make it. Okay? They may not make it. It could absolutely rally if all the altcoins start to rally again. But just be careful with it. You know, if they decide to abandon the project or something because it's got such a low market cap, it wouldn't work out well for it. Netflix, yes, Netflix. If they're starting to put commercials on everything, my gosh, I don't like that. Mi corazón es tu corazón. Pugnacious. Moto Lifer and Pugnacious gonna be going back and forth. Julia, what is going on? Julia, where have you been? Glad to have you in here, Julia. Let's see what we got going on with AMC today, guys. Looks like it might be turning back over and giving up some of the gains that it was trying to make off that $17.50 level. But the good news is $17.50, $17.60 really seems to be holding up as a strong level of support today on AMC. Now, I know that it's a decline on the daily. We've got a ton of lines on this chart here. My goodness. And we have been seeing some drastic declines over the last month or so, but it does seem to be steadying out in this area. And I want to point out the similarities between AMC on a daily chart and the NASDAQ on a daily chart. Now, the decline over the last couple of weeks has not been as steep in the NASDAQ, but it has nonetheless been a decline. Coming back right into this mid area and steadying off for the last week. AMC coming back right into this mid area and steadying off for the last week. If you did put a little level of support in this area right in here where it touched it here, and back in this area, you know, we could see that AMC may be bouncing off or at least holding this level of support. The NASDAQ, very, very similar. We've got this area back in here that held up as support, and it could be holding up as support again. Very similar action over the last week in both the NASDAQ and AMC, so I would expect it to follow the overall market, at least in a similar fashion to what it's been doing. Now, the good news is if the NASDAQ rebounds and starts to bounce up and AMC follows and breaks through this little area in here, as the NASDAQ breaks through this little area in here, it's got a very strong shot of shooting back up to like $24, $25, $26 per share rather quickly based on a break of $20 per share. So I would love to see some strength in AMC as well as strength in the NASDAQ to kind of confirm that move back to the upside. Let's see. Quit. If you watch YouTube, a video on the Ali token, and show or play some of it to your viewers, it looks like the future. Michael. Yeah, it could be, man. I have not seen anything about that token so far. But I'm not gonna play a video on this live stream or anything. I don't want to play anybody else's videos on here. You better follow the herd and put commercials during your Ask Me Anythings. Like right now. You guys want a commercial right now? I'll give you a commercial. I give you a commercial for Remy. Hey, who got hit with an ad? Did anybody get hit with an ad right there? Let me know if you made it without an ad, because I did just put one on there. People actually throw commercials on during live streams? Modal Lever says, don't know why, sorry I missed that. Hey, Clay Bro, shouting out from Key West to our Shiba Army. Wayne, man, loving it. Pika did not get a commercial. Did anybody else get an ad? I didn't get hit. Saif did not get hit. Anybody else get hit with an ad? Thanks, Clowny and Pika and Cassie. Julia, how are you doing today? You having a good day? Where did Moto Lifer go? Yeah, he's still in here, man. Time out. Don't know what. Dude, don't time Moto Lifer out. Come on, man. Danelle got one. Keith did not get one. I use Google Adblock for you too. As ever. Remy, you little jerk, man. Watch the ads on my videos. Come on. If you watch an ad on a video, it helps, man. You got to watch at least the first one and then click skip after 4 seconds, man. There's nothing wrong with clicking skip after 4 seconds. I skipped the commercial. Mark, nice, man. Good. E-Man did get an ad. Yes, why ad? Mark got an ad. Okay, good. Alejes got an ad. Very good. Well, Remy said put an ad on there, so I put an ad on and see who got one. It is interesting, though, the people that did say they did not get one versus the people that say they did get one. The people that did say they got one, did you just come in, or have you been in here for a while? Because I noticed the people who say they didn't get one have been pretty active in the chat for like a long time. And I would have imagined, if you just came in, it would not be hitting you with another ad right now. That's abuse of power, Moto Lifer. Me or somebody else? Me putting an ad on there or somebody else? I got the ad. Paul got the ad. Okay. Remy did not get an ad. Of course you didn't, Remy. You got an ad blocker on. Over hour. Like, he's been here for about an hour and he did not get an ad. Or you did get an ad. Interesting. Got in about 5 to 10. Okay, E-Man got in here about 5 to 10 minutes ago and did get an ad. I would have imagined you would have gotten one if you literally just came in here. That's interesting. It's very weird how YouTube picks people to show ads to. I think that's really weird. Michael's been in here, and you did or did not get an ad, Michael? I don't know. Got about 5. Yeah, E-Man, I got you. Still thinking, I think it's weird that you get hit with an ad even if you just got in here. Those who didn't get a commercial are in Tokyo. Mark, they might be, man. They might be. ApeCoin to 100. Does anybody think that ApeCoin actually could go to 100? That would be... What would that be on the valuation? Like $30 billion? What's ApeCoin's current valuation? 4.5, almost 5 billion, 100. No, not 10xing. Fully diluted market cap's a different story, but with the current coins outstanding, that would be what, like a $30 billion market cap? Yeah, dude, it's possible for ApeCoin to go to 100. Like a $30 billion market cap's not out of the question for ApeCoin. Was it you that bought the land in the weird shape? You have bad tendencies. Joke is, I don't know if Vengeance would be spending money to have bad tendencies like that. Who cares? Do some about the market. Who cares? Do something about the market. Yeah, Shredda. Me? I wish I could do something about the market, man. I really do. Any 420 crypto rumors you heard? Caesar, absolutely none, man. I've heard absolutely no 420 cryptocurrency rumors. Nothing. Not like I did last year. A lot of people were really hyping up Dogecoin last year on for 420. This year it was a much different scene for cryptocurrency. Maybe it's because I'm not looking at looking as much at Dogecoin as I was last year, but it doesn't seem to have the same hype as it did last year. I don't get ads. I have YouTube Plus. Well, YouTube Plus is actually good because Mr. Simon, like there's a section that breaks it down too. So like even if you don't get YouTube Plus, or even if you don't get ads because you have YouTube Plus, I think it shows like if you spend a lot of time on my channel or a lot of time on Short the VIX or Matt Kors, you like to hang out with Matt Kors, right? It's like YouTube shares that, whatever it is that you pay per month for YouTube Plus. It's like they share a portion of that. So YouTube Plus, all good. But otherwise, guys, just click skip after 4 seconds is over with. I got 1,000 ApeCoin. Very nice. YMB Flight. I hope it goes to $100 for you. YMB Flight, that would be awesome. Look at Strange Inu. Let me know what you think. Yeah, James, man. I'll try to check that out real quick. Archie Nico, load up. Dogecoin sucks. I don't know if Dogecoin sucks, but it certainly doesn't have the... No, I can't look at Strange Inu. It's not on CoinMarketCap, man. Where do you find Strange Inu at? Is it brand new? Is it not even listed on CoinMarketCap yet? I watched Batman this morning. It was good. Very dark, but good. People seem to like the dark movies these days, man. Dogecoin does not sucks. Good, sir. Yeah, I don't think it sucks, but it doesn't have the same spark that it did before. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Clay can hand out the crown today. I can't take this kind of pressure. I can't take this kind of pressure. Pika, I don't know who you've crowned in the past, but Pika, and then you do the really good thing. I'll pick. Pika, Remy. Everybody close your ears really quick. Remy has been extremely active in the chat today. Remy has been very he doesn't have a green name. Does that count? Pika, does it have to be a green name? Now, I don't know if that has to be a green name or not. I don't know if it has to be a green name or not. It's not how the rules go. Moto Lifer says, no, it's not how the rules go. Somebody remind me of the crowning rules. Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the super chat. Con o sin, hago siempre lo que quiero. I don't speak Spanish, man, but yes, with or without, I will always want you. I think that's what he's saying there. Moto Lifer, yes, I feel you, man. I feel you. Remy, get a green name and it's yours. Oh, she's got to have a green name. I forgot. Remy was way too active in the chat today not to want to do that. You got to be a green name, though. Darn it, I forgot, man. The only other channel I watch is Frank. Facts on that, man. Nice. Dude, if you guys do spend the amount of time in here that a lot of you guys do spend, it would be very difficult. I've been a bro since November. Gotta pay my dues. Just gotta pay my dues. I've paid my dues time after time. Yes, Remy has been. And Remy very active in the chat today. I'm liking it, man. How much Shiba do you hold? So, YNB, man. I don't talk about the quantities in which I hold. My average on Shiba is somewhere between 23 and 2,400 points per coin. So I am currently green on Shiba Inu coin after averaging down, but I tend not to get into the actual quantities that I hold. I don't want anybody to feel like they're over-invested or under-invested or like, Clay's got way too much money invested or Clay doesn't have enough money invested. Anything like that, man. I just want you guys to be confident, and I have no problem talking about averages and positions that I do own like that. I don't know, man. I don't think it's normal to discuss with like just the general population how much money you got in the bank or what your budget looks like, what you spend on stuff. It's more of a like inner circle type deal or a personal matter. As rigged as the market. Dude, Mr. Simon. Has Mr. Simon had a crown in a while? I don't know if Mr. Simon's had a crown in a while. Batman was dark. I literally couldn't see anything. My girlfriend said his costume looked like the one you'd buy at a Party City. Well, Caesar, that's weird. I was going to say Caesar, maybe he made his costume himself, but he's a billionaire. He's a multi-billionaire, so you would figure that guy would be able to get a pretty legit costume. But you're the best, bro. Good Ohio Spanish, my bro. Boom, Moto Lifer. Got that Ohio Spanish. Did anybody I've never heard anybody say you got that good Ohio Spanish, my bro. Moto Lifer. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate that. I got that Ohio Spanish. Heck yeah. I'll be back later today. Shredda, good deal, man. Just wrote my name using a green pen. So, well, Mark might be gunning for it too. Just adding his name with a green pen there. I've been active 8F and my name is green. Pugnacious. I've seen you more active in here though, Pugnacious. I've seen you more active. Let's see. I think I might have missed something. We are the champions, my friend. Caesar, yes we are. What do we think about Ecomi? I don't know anything about Ecomi, man. I don't know anything about that at all. Oh, okay. Yes. All right, no, I'm caught up on that. I almost missed it. Dindy, glad to have you in here, man. Don't ever miss the live stream. We do have a couple minutes left in the morning stream, though, guys. AMC going back to retest $18 per share again. It has been bouncing over the last 10 minutes when we were trying to crown somebody over there. Sitting at $17.96. Beautiful bounce back. I would really like to bust through $18 per share. Shiba Inu coin has retaken that 2,500 point per coin level, sitting at 25.03. GameStop trying to go off the charts here, going back into green territory, or trying to go back into green territory, sitting at $151.24. The NASDAQ bouncing back very well as well. I would imagine the NASDAQ bouncing back could coincide with the bounce in Netflix. Let's see. Somewhat of a bounce, starting to curl over a little bit, but you can see a bounce in the NASDAQ correlating to a bounce in Netflix here. Not too bad. But Netflix still getting destroyed on the day, guys. You know, it's tough to think of a stock like, AMC getting blasted 30% or GameStop getting blasted 30% in a day. But when Netflix which was roughly a $200 billion company as of yesterday, not as of a couple of months ago. A couple of months ago, it would have been a $400 or $500 billion company. So to watch it get blasted and lose like $80 billion in a single day is insane. I mean, what we're witnessing in this decline right here in Netflix it's a lot. You know, an $80 billion wipeout in a one-day period. And then if you're looking at a couple $100 billion wipeout over the last 6 months, it's a catastrophic wipeout. I mean, think about that. A couple $100 billion lost over the last couple of months. And I'm sure this decline here on their last earnings was, tens of billions of dollars lost, and tens of billions of dollars being lost on this day here. It's a very, very... There's a big difference in the size of the company losing 30-40% like Netflix is, and then a company like AMC or GameStop losing 30-40%. Per all guys sitting down 1.5% right now at 99.75 cents. Farmy trying to put some green lines on the chart here, trying to bounce back to 12.90 after hitting that 12.70, down 1.5% right now. You got Sundial on 420, down 460%. Mullen Auto sitting at $1.50, barcoding throughout the afternoon here, trying to stay above that $1.50 line. CEI 98.5 cents. The SPY up 0.25% right now. BBIG still down 7% on the day. Highcroft Mining down 9% on the day, sitting at $1.58. And we'll watch Netflix there as AMC retakes the $18 line as we're getting ready to sign off. I love it, man. Guys, here's the beautiful part. You know, I come online. AMC, these stocks, they sit sideways and do nothing, go down. And then I go offline, and they roll. They start doing really, really well. So, yeah, I think it's all my fault. I bow to the bro. Glad to have you. Remy, I'm glad to have you in here, man, even though you're giving me all that. I'll make an exception. You always have great insight on Shib. Remy, the king of the chat today. You're a true bro. Nice, Remy. And Remy's going to grab a green name. I know he will, man. You don't have to. But I do like the green names, guys. Green names are a lot easier to see. And I appreciate everybody that is a member on the channel. Is a female bro a sis or a broette? It is also a bro. Everybody in here is a bro, regardless of regardless of that. You are a bro. I'm at work too. Dindy, glad to have you in here. Sundial, boo. Dude, Sundial went on a nice run to what, 90 cents? Where did it go? 90 cents, right? Yeah, it goes on a nice run to 90 cents when they put that bill back to the House. And it passed the House, but it's been coming down ever since. And, well, actually, if we look at AMC, very similar price action on Sundial running up, AMC running up, and then coming back down and steadying off down here, coming back down and steadying off down here. So Sundial had a very similar pattern with this run that AMC did. But, yeah, man. Poor action on Sundial, going from 90 cents back down to 50 cents. Especially when they have a lot of good news coming out about them, right? It's not like Sundial is in a dire position at the moment. So, I'm with you. Julia, I'll boo Sundial all day long with you. Ruthless. You missed Dindy James. No! I better not miss his super chat. Dindy! Throwing a super chat. Oh, I got you, Dindy. I got you, man. I must have been going on about something, but I got your super chat right now with the meow. 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 Thank you very much, Dindy. Appreciate that super sticker cat, man. I don't know why you guys like that cat so much, but Dindy James, man, absolutely appreciate it. You guys are killing it today. AMC Trapper says, yes, you better go fix that cat right there. Guys, I did catch a garter snake this morning. I caught a garter snake, and I'm going to let you know right now, I will most likely be going to the lake to take the garter snake down to the lake. I don't mind garter snakes, right? I don't really like them, but no, dude, they hang out right where Chip Bro. So Chip Bro likes to go up my siding, and I let him. I like Chip Bro. He likes to go up the corner of my siding and then into my soffit. And these garter snakes, they hang out right there. And a couple of times I've seen them go back down, like behind the siding on the house. So I caught a little one this morning. And, Chip Bro jumped up on the patio door and, like, looked around. And I'm like, oh, the door's shut. It's 35 degrees outside. So then I opened it and I looked out. And there was a little garter snake sitting there. So I grabbed him and I put him in a tub. I'm going to take him down to the lake on the break here. And I can't have these garter snakes sitting right. I don't want them going behind my siding. That's a definite no. That's a definite no. I don't mind if you're in the yard or in the woods, but I don't want them going behind the siding. And then I definitely don't want them hanging out right where Chip Bro's at, even though I think Chip Bro could tear one up. But all right, guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. I'm going to go take this snake down to the lake, and then we will be back in the 3 o'clock hour, so I hope to see every single one of you guys there. Let's do these super chats. Let's do these shout-outs, and then we will be back later. Paul Wright, see you later. John J, Dindy, AMC Trapper. Paul Wright, see you later. Julia Gulia, Dindy, AMC Trapper. Dindy, Moto Lifer. Julia, Moto Lifer, AMC Trapper. Remy, Harris, Pugnacious. Julia, Brother Fred. What's going on, Brother Fred? How you doing, Brother Fred? I like that name there. Cassie, see you later. I kissed a garter snake once because, oh my God, don't kiss the garter snakes. They kind of smell bad, don't they? Julia Gulia, Remy, see you later. Paul, Frank, see ya. Brother Fred, Meta Pockets, Ryan, Pika Power, AMC Trapper, Julia Gulia, Crypto Rocketeer, man. Boom, baby, dabbing on them like always. Glad to see you in here, Crypto Rocketeer. Dindy James, Moto Life, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Paul, see you later. John J, Outdoor Smile. Boom, baby, Moto Lifer. I don't know if we've got natural pest control, but I like the pests, man. I like the pests. Are a good problem to have in the yard. Yes, but I like the pests. I actually have a little mouse that I've got in a cage right now. And a Chip Bro is a good pest to have too. But anyway, if SD's in here, if Stephanie's in here, if Lauren's in here, I hope you guys enjoy your afternoon, and hope to see all of you guys later. What's up, Jay Killer? See you. Enjoy your afternoon as well. You guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.